New Year's Day skip in a blizzard. Huh?
Big red truck.
The big red truck dropping them all. We got condition?
I got some condition. I was just running with 23.
Oh boy. Okay, we're gonna experiment.
Okay.
It's New Year's.
I'm dying to push it a little more. I told you in the other video I was gonna try to get more juice. So I got the 5 fill, the 16, and the 64.
5 fill under a snow brush because it's blizzarding in Chicago on New Year's Day.
Yes, it's snowing out.
And we got 16 fill back there and 64 fill. So 5 fill, 16 fill in the red box, 64 fill. New Year's Day with no
You want to take a
conditions.
quick video of the alternators or no? No? Okay. We're going to bump it down and see if we get 9,000 out of it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Oh,
Not quite.
not quite. It's okay. We're not going to push it anymore right now.
About 8,500.
8,500. I'll take it for now. We'll get more watts later. I'm good with my 8,500 birds out of a DC box right now.
Yeah.
Shamoki. Oh, is that 27? I get the Virginia conditions.
Yeah.
Let me get up my little hill, see if this on. This is my spot right here.
The spot.
This is my spot. If we get anybody get some conditions here, maybe I can create some panic.
Hey, Foxtrot, home tanky in full control. There's really good heat and moving in Alabama. Hey, 27.
Here we go.
Skipping.
Hello, Renegade 22 is Big Red Truck Chicago. Hey, Renegade 22 is Big Red Truck, man. I'm waiting on my condition. Hello, Renegade with a good sound and cell. 22 Illinois, break. Bang bang.
20 now. Hey, Big Red Truck in Chicago.
Hey, Renegade, was that you, man? It's rough. 22 Illinois says, I want to know what's going on, man. I got this Mobile. I ain't got no base station. 22 is Mobile. Big Red Truck, Chicago, stepping.
I'm 10-7. Hey, Big Red Truck. I'm 10-7. I'm gonna let the van roll on. I'm out of here, y'all. Bye-bye. Happy New Year, fellas.
Happy New Year, Renegade, man. Still sounding good in Chicago. I appreciate the keyed out time. Have yourself a real good rest of the weekend. Renegade with your good audio. 22. 22 Big Red Truck, Chicago, got down.
I ain't gonna be 10-7, but I'll be 10-6. I'm gonna step back up on the curb. Roll back around just a bit later. 27, 45 alive, and the D30 starts from clear start. In the clear.
Hello, 415 in the volume, 22 Illinois. 415 22 is Mobile. 22 is Mobile. Hello, 415 22 Big Red Truck, Chicago. Break.
You said, hey, Renegade, I'm just playing. Man, you Leo 415 in the volume.
Right back, 415, sounded good, man. Good audio, good signal. Hey, 415, ain't no but 22. 22 in my Big Red Truck, trying to get it right back. 415 22 Big Red Truck, Illinois, break. Good man.
Hey, Big Red
Right back, country preacher. Sound good in Chicago. I'm just working this big red truck trying to get some condition. I don't got no beam, I ain't got no base station, man. Country preacher 22 Illinois. Break right.
22 in the big red truck. Oscar, bye. There it is, Oscar. You're smoking, man. It sounds so good. Oscar, please take care. Good to hear you in the band. 22's big red truck working all these Leestonville cut out. That's all I'm doing. Hey, 22, I'm over here working on this audio. That's all I'm doing. On the workbench, working on this audio. 22, take care. Oscar, bye. Bye, Oscar. I'm just testing the new driver. 22 Chicago got down. Well, you testing that fine style, man. All I gotta say was that just give it a good work on the end. Hey, 22 on the driver. Oscar, the wheels got down. Trying to play it back, Bragger. Oh, Big John's done. Let me put it right there, man. How the world he's doing. Big John's done. 22 with the New Year's wave. Me and my big red truck rocking out. Hey, 22, I'm doing pretty good, man. Hey, 22, I'm doing pretty good, man. I know you're doing pretty good. Hey, 22, check it out. How long are you doing? Big John's done. 22 with the New Year's wave. Me and my big red truck rocking out. Hey, Big John's done. I just want to make sure you can hear me, man, because I wanted to say Happy New Year. I just want to put this big red truck right where you can get it. Big John Stud 22 is big red truck Illinois got down. Yeah, fly around 22. Well, I hear you in a big red truck. Hey, 22, I hear you in a big red truck, man. No doubt about that. A New Year's wave, your way also, man. I've been waving, again, me and 2022 wave to everybody all day long. No doubt about that. But I ain't gonna forget you. Hey, 22, red truck, 2022 wave. Hey, Big John, I appreciate it, man. Always good to hear you in the band, and I'm glad I got some conditions so I could wave to you too and say Happy New Year and all the good numbers to you and your family. Big John Stud 22 working. This big red truck got down.
Faded away.
Sounding good around the Carolinas. Old X with the wave. Break.
You're right about the conditions, man. Hey, you're right about the conditions, so who knows what's going to go on, but... Oh, my belt wants to slip.
Come back. Hope you had a good New Year.
Hey, 22, I think all your neighbors are hammered down now that you turned that mobile around. Happy New Year wave to you, 22 in the mobile, Old X, east side, waving and getting up.
Hey, Excalibur, can we get you in the red? Can we get that S meter in the red? And how much backswing do I got? I'm working a DC box. 22 got down.
Hey, you got 25 dB in my receiver. Hey, 22, you got 25 dB in my receiver there, buddy.
Yeah, you're doing about the same, man. You're smoking as usual. Always good to hear you. Hey, Excalibur, happy holidays to you, man. While I got some chance to key down. 22's big red truck Chicago in the mail.
Real good copy, man. That mobile's a smoking coming out this way and I ain't a drinking. A22 red truck, Excalibur, east side. Even this junk is getting up.
Bye, Excalibur. I'll put it on you later when I can. 22's big red truck Illinois got down.
22 red truck 270 Virginia.
22 big red truck, 635 in the Carolinas. Waiting real quick, Steve.
I heard 635 and I heard someone else in Virginia. 22's big red truck's right back.
02 Roger, Nick. Happy New Year to you. Hey, 22, big red truck. 635, Carolina, getting on now.
Right back to 635. I appreciate it, man. Happy New Year to you. If I got some more condition, 22 Chicago, heard them go. I need juice.
Hey, 505, you're making more noise than me, I guarantee it. I listened to you earlier. Smoking. 22 in my big red truck. Oh, these Leestonvilles are working today. 22 in his big red truck, Chicago got down. All right, 22 sounding good in Carolina. Take care of that in, 22.